I'm thirsty. I think I will get myself a soda from the vending machine. Hey, why the fuck won't this money go into the vending machine? I want my Coke. I'll have to try again. Are you fucking kidding me? I want my motherfucking Coke. I'll try one more time, and I will break the vending machine if it does that again. Finally! Oh, come on. Why won't this vending machine give me my fucking Coke? I want my Coke. Come on, give me my Coke. Give me my motherfucking Coke, you stupidest vending machine. That's it. I'm breaking this fucking vending machine. Yes, I finally got my Coke. Serves the fucking vending machine right for refusing to give me my Coke.
Man, I think I'm a little thirsty. I'll get a drink from Twilight Sparkle. What happened to the vending machine? Why is it broken?
I broke the vending machine because it refused to give me my Coke.
What? Wow. Twilight Sparkle. I can't fucking believe you did that. That's it. Go home right now while I call Shining Armor and Cadence. Hello? Shining Armor and Cadence. You will not believe what Twilight Sparkle did. She broke the vending machine. Can you ground her for this, please? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye.
Twilight Sparkle, we cannot fucking believe you broke the vending machine. You know we can get you arrested.
But Shining Armor and Cadence, the vending machine refused to give me my Coke. I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter, and your apology is denied. That's it. You were grounded for 7 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room right now and think about what you have done, young lady.
Wait.